How can you create a professional news video using CapCut? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a modern news-style video in just a few minutes. First, import your video clips. You can download free stock footage from websites like Pexels and Vectisi. Next, use the background remover tool to remove the studio background. Then remove the background behind your presenter to create a clean, professional look. Now add your news script using the text feature and place subtitles at the bottom of the screen. You can also add transitions, effects, and animations to make your video more dynamic and engaging. Finally, go to the Audio and Sound FX section to add background music that matches the mood of your project. Once everything looks good, export your video in high quality. Follow for more editing tips and AI content creation tutorials.